we're out here. Super windy today, but I caught a bass on this tip up earlier. Just didn't get the video camera going. Now Caleb's gonna check it. Took some line.
Yeah, definitely. On the top of the side a little
bit. Trying to shelter you from the wind the best I can. Nothing? This wind is insane. Oh, I got another heritage up. Nothing? Oh, do you? Birch? Trying to do the best I can here filming, guys. It's brutal conditions to film. Is it? He's fighting that good? We finally got the shanty up. It's anchored to the four-wheeler and a bunch of pegs too. It's hard to see the slush, ain't it?
Oh, that's a keeper.
Is it?
Yep.
Heck yeah. First keeper of the
I
day.
don't know.
Are you sure it's not a little bigger? It's fighting good.
No, it's pretty small.
Oh, yeah. It's probably a keeper, technically, but I'm sure we'll catch more than just that one. The flags have been going up pretty consistently. Alright guys, flags are going off like you read about. It's going pretty good. We got the one keeper pickerel so far. Probably could have kept that pike, but it was small. But we got two flags up right now. They just both popped. And these are heritage tip-ups. They never really win flag. So usually when they go up, there's definitely a fish that hit the bait. So get him? Yep. Well, keep him and you can have the next flag as well. Yeah, absolutely. I'll take him. Hook yourself? That's a huge bait. Look at him. Bait is massive. Oh wait, keep him. Oh yeah. I want all the eats today I can get. I mean, I'd probably fly them up, but. Alright, we got all the tip ups set up finally, and we're done chasing flags for a minute, so we're in the shanty where it's not so windy, and we're doing a little jigging. So, yeah, we'll get back to you when we get more flags.
Come on, sucker, go for a run.
Yeah, wish it would.
I like to see those little things spinning. Oh, it looks like it takes some line, dude. Oh, yeah, that's a fish. That's a good one.
Better get
Set that hook, dude. Set that hook.
I was almost out of line.
It took some serious line.
Coming with it. Oh,
Is this a keeper?
I don't know, he's coming with it.
It's got to be a keeper. He was spooling line.
He took enough of it, didn't he?
I know.
He's freaking swimming right with it. No fight. No fight at all.
Bass?
I don't know.
No, that's a northern. That's a northern.
Can't tell.
It's a northern. It's a good one.
Yep, I know.
Keeper.
Yeah, it is a keeper.
There we go.
Alright guys, first keeper pike on the ice. Thankfully, we finally got a keeper. But it is 26 inches. I just measured him with the tape. Probably, what do you think, Cooch? 2.5 pounds, 3 pounds? 2.5, 3 pounder. So nothing giant, but good eater. So it's probably about noon right now. So the afternoon bite usually takes it pretty good. So hopefully we'll start slaying some. We're dealing with a lot of slush today because of the high winds, but it's still a good day out here. It's nice. I mean, it's not really cold. It's like 38 degrees out, so it's actually kind of a warm breeze. That one's off to the side. Get him?
Oh, yeah.
Big one?
No.
I feel like you always say they're little, dude, and then sometimes you get them up to the hole and they're huge. What? Coming?
Bass.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Good one.
That's not bad bass. He hammered the bait. Yeah. I didn't get that bass on camera I caught earlier, but it was probably, I'd say, a good like 5 inches longer than that one. And dude, I'm telling you, I could have stuck my whole fist in its mouth. It was so big. Look how red his gums are, dude. He's been eating like crayfish or something.
I don't know why they're so red.
That usually happens when they eat like hard items like crayfish and stuff like that. I don't know. You tell me. There we go. And the release. And off it goes. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what we got on this one. The snow's not like frozen though yet.
No.
Just slush.
Yeah, but it's not really blowing the slush anymore, so it'd be a good time to go. Oh,
God.
my God.
It's almost cold.
Jeez, dude. I bet you there's a fish on there.
I hope there is. Probably not.
Do you know how much line that thing's taking?
Quite a bit, but not
You
taking
might have to
it.
set up this tripod. I might start reeling as you're pulling.
Some of these don't have a lot of line, but there's a fish.
Oh, yeah, that's a good fish.
Heavy.
Big one? He doesn't want to come out of the hole. That's a good one. There we go.
We're about to hammer one on this tip up. She cranked or what? Oh, yeah, there's something on there. Get him? Yeah. A little extra room to throw your line. Got one there, bud. Dude, that's what the last. Isn't it bass? Took a little fight there for a second though. He's schooling some line though, man. You think it's a bass for sure? He's fighting good though. The bass usually don't fight good in the wintertime. My experience anyway. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Where's the... Oh yeah, there you go. That's a good fish. Nice. Another nice northern. That's probably the exact same size, 26 inch or so. Make sure you don't go back down the hole. I'll get your pliers for you. Up. Oh yeah, absolutely. I wish. Hopefully the audio on this whole video is not just absolute shit. Yeah, it's a good eater right there. Perfect size eaters. There we go. Let's go. I'm hoping that this time it's not a perch hit or a pike hit it and drops it. How's it looking? Come on. Get it? You got one? Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Maybe it is though. I'll get the gaff just in case.
It's got a little bit of...
It looked like it did. Not to mention it was literally ripping.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish.
Sweet deal, dude. I got plenty of line on them suckers, so fight them all you need. Don't have to worry about cutting the line either. I got steel leader and braid.
Oh, it's probably like 3-4 pounder right there.
We're gonna be able to fit them through the hole. It looks like it's fighting good, dude. It looks like a heavier fish than...
No, I don't think it's that heavy.
No?
I'm gonna horse him out.
I mean, he's fighting good, dude.
Come on. What the? Where's he hooked? What the hell, dude?
What happened?
It's a big fish.
It's a good keeper. That's a pretty decent sized head. Yeah, you know why? Because it's wrapped around his gill plate.
That's why he feels bigger.
I got the gaff. It looks like a keeper. You can use the gaff. Yep. Yeah, he's fighting him kind of sideways.
Come on, get your head through the hole. Oh man, I don't know. Come on, guy. He does not want to come through this hole.
That's the problem with the 6-inch hole. Need to fire up the 10-inch jiffy.
Side hook too.
Yeah. Well, he's hooked in the mouth. It just wrapped around him though. Is that 8-pounder? Nice. He didn't like that gaff going at him.
He's side hooked.
Yep.
So he's gonna go up through the hole.
I hate when that happens, dude.
Oh, maybe he unside hooked himself.
You just don't have to. The only thing I like about my stuff is you don't have to worry about breaking it. That's the one thing I love.
That's a big fish.
Is it? Yeah, it's a good fish. I can't see it. Looks like a good one. What happened? You get him? What is going on, dude?
He won't fit through the fucking hole.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's because you got him in the stomach. Oh, no, you're right behind him. Yeah. Can you get your gaff out?
No.
Oh, wait, no, here he goes. Here he goes. Yeah, that's a good fish. Yeah, dude. Alright, let's go check this one. It's been up for like a while. Caleb's taking the bait back. We're not running low, so I don't know why. Oh, it's a big bait? Oh, it's a giant bait, I guess. I got the gaff in there. There we go. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Alright, we'll get back to you. The next flag. Well, we're just sitting in the shanty and we heard a little slight explosion and my buddy goes freaking blew up, dude.
That fucking blew right off.
That was sketchy, man. That was a loud little pop inside of that shanty with a ball of fire.
Yeah.
That was pretty sketchy stuff.
Yeah, it was like it was sending propane right out.
Yeah, that was fucking scary. I'm really glad it didn't backfeed into the tank.
I know, that's
and
why
blow
I
up.
was like, I gotta turn that tank off.
But anyways, yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here for the day. We got some good fish on the ice, and we didn't die. Came close with that buddy heater experience. That was pretty wild. But I'm gonna get some hard pipe and pipe that thing out a little bit farther from the heat. I'm not sure if that's what did it or not, but yeah, fun times. Alrighty guys, there's the haul for the day. day. 1 pickerel and 4 good keeper northerns, a couple little perch. Pretty good day. I did just lose one that just happened